In this video, I'll show you how to install WordPress on Bluehost. Step 1. Install WordPress via the Websites tab. Log into your Bluehost account manager. I'll leave a link to Bluehost in the description down below. Click Websites on the left side menu. On the websites page, click the Add Site button on the right. Select Install WordPress, then click the Continue button. Enter the name of your website in the site title field, then click on Continue. If you don't have one yet, that's okay. You can choose the skip this step for now and do later. In the Connect a Domain window, enter the domain name you want to use for your website. If you don't have a domain name yet, you can opt for the temporary domain option. You can always choose to skip this step and complete it later in your account manager. Your website is now being created. You will be given the option to activate your SEO tools. You can also purchase an e-commerce toolset for your website. Click Continue to proceed, or you can skip this step for now. The installation of your WordPress site will begin. A pop-up will appear. Click Log into WordPress to start with the configuration. Step 2. Configure your WordPress installation. Once you click the Log into WordPress button in the Site Created pop-up, you will be presented with two options: AI Site Creator and Import an existing WordPress site. If you want to create a new WordPress site, click AI Site Creator. If you have an existing WordPress website and wish to import it into this new WordPress installation, please select the Import an existing WordPress site option. Enter a title and a description for your website, then click Next. You can also add a logo to your WordPress website if you have one available. Click the Browse button, locate and select your logo, then click Next. The AI tool will begin building your website. You will be asked about your familiarity with WordPress so that the tool can customize the installation based on your needs. You can select from beginner, intermediate, or advanced. You will be presented with different website designs. You can hover your mouse over each layout. Click the preview button over your preferred layout to customize. In the preview mode, you can view the layout further. The right pane will show the other designs created by the AI tool. If you're happy with your selected layout, click the Save and Publish button in the top right corner. If you want to make additional adjustments, click on Select and Customize. On the next page, you can further improve and tailor the WordPress installation. Once done, click the Save button in the top right corner. You can also log into your WordPress admin dashboard by clicking the Dashboard button. And that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe. And if you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments.